Alright, this is the back passenger on the passenger side. I just pulled it out. I gotta pull it out of here and clean it. So you gotta make sure you get these. Be very careful when doing it, because you can break it if you ain't careful. So, but I just wanted to show you. This is switch, like I said, for the back passenger door. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna get it apart. All right, I got it pulled apart. So what I recommend doing when you're pulling these apart is just take the two clips on one side, pull, and then you can pull it off sideways. But again, rinse and repeat. Take a Q-tip, some alcohol, and rub right here and here. Same thing here. You can pull these out, but clean these, and you just make sure you get them good, and we're gonna see if it works. The other one, the passenger front, is working now after I cleaned it, so I guess they just all need a good cleaning. So I'll be back. All right, I got it plugged back in since I cleaned it. This is the back passenger door. It goes down and it goes up. So now I have it where it works.